For part A, we have our slope field here. Whenever x is 0, the slope is going to be 0. Whenever y is 0, slope is going to be 0. You can kind of see that from our equation. Then we have to figure out the other ones by plugging them in. So your slope field should look something like this. For part B, it asks us to write an equation for a line tangent to the graph of f at x equals -1. So something we've done in the past, but not anything we've done with slope fields recently. But remember, for an equation of a tangent line, we need two things. We need a point and a slope. So it tells us when x is -1, we need to know what y is. If we look back at the beginning of number 6, it tells us an initial condition. It says when x is -1, our function has a value of 2. So that means our point is at -1, 2. So that's given to us. Our slope, we just figured out in part A. -1, 2, this point right here, we've already figured out that slope. The slope is 2. So really we've got everything we need. We just have to put it into a formula. We can use the point slope formula. Y minus 2 equals 2 times x minus -1 or plus 1. So pretty simple one. It's only worth 1 point, but it makes sense because everything's kind of given to you, or you figured this one out already in part B. This is another scenario we talked about the other day. Let's say you made some silly little mistake and had the wrong slope in your slope field here. You might have lost a point in part A for not having the right slopes, but if you went ahead and used that value for part B, they wouldn't count that against you. All right, as long as you set it up properly using the stuff that you have.